Really happy to see you again. We didn't meet for a while, I think for over a month, and correct me if I'm wrong, maybe it's even 2 months. And lots of things happening here at EndoTech, thanks to Daisy. We are really grateful, as usual, to our contributors because you allowed us to tap into AI with full speed, and the full effort that we wanted to do from the beginning. And our side of the update, as you see, the market is doing its thing. It was bullish, it was bearish. Everybody saw that during the bullish market, we made our profits. During bearish market, even that algorithms, and you will probably see it in upcoming videos, you will see that our algorithms were right on spot. We entered the trade at the very top of the Bitcoin and Ether and went down together with them and made a profit. But since our AI system, our fundamental AI system, was telling us that it's a bullish market, still a bullish market, we're still in the first phase of the development of Daisy, we had very small funds allocated for the bearish moves. So our profits were downsized by BNB that we kept for the fee structures, right? In order to combine the story is that if you want to have efficient commissions, you need to pay it in BNB, and BNB coin went down from 600 to 300. So our major loss was due to the BNB going down and not due to the algorithm losing during this period. Our algorithms were top on the schedule. And then we went into sideways market. Sideways market, again, it's a necessity of the trend following algorithm to make losses during these periods. Our losses were 10%. We made 3, sometimes 4 false breakouts. Again, very small each one. We're happy the way algorithm performed. And now we went into the bearish move again. Again, as you saw, we made a little bit of profits. And of course, we're taking the lessons from everything that's happening. So for example, our BNB now residing in the separate strategy and not affects as much as before the losses once it goes down, let's say twice or something like that. So we put them into the new strategy specifically for the BNB to protect us from these situations. And I think the most exciting part for us is that our efforts for fundamental AI came to fruition, and then we have right now Forex that we're starting to trade this week that combines both AI for the fundamental, for the macro, and AI for the technical analysis. And we're starting to see, we'll see starting this week the results, and we'll start talking about these results, we publish these results. So for us, it's very exciting time that we're able to come and say, yes, what we started in January finally came to the first step as we planned, and we'll start moving forward from this point.
I love it, Doc. The future of Daisy AI, of where we're going with EndoTech, has never been brighter, and we're getting ready to turn some really, really big corners when it comes to the results that people see.
Yeah, I would like to add that for us, it's not only going short term, it's just adding the diversification, because one market can always go to some corner, and one market can always become stale for a few months, and we don't want our effort and our community to feel that it's too much uncertainty about what's going on. So we want to add the stability and reduce risk to increase the certainty. So this is our, let's say, even bigger goal, even more important goal for us internally, to provide this stability, to provide this certainty to the participants. And of course, short term, again, when it works, it will be very interesting and it will be faster. I'm not sure how, again, our partners, Jeremy and Ed and Ilya, they are more sensitive about the emotions of participants, of how it's important on the daily basis. For us, it's important the bottom line. The bottom line, when you look back at the 1 year, few months, and you say, I made the right decision. So for us, it's important to stand behind what we say and to provide this. So for us, again, adding Forex, adding other assets, it's very important. So we'll be able to say, even if Bitcoin or whatever went into the wrong period in its phase, we're fine. We found other assets to be active on and to trade on.
I love it. Well, that's one of the reasons why we're all so excited to be a part of contributing to the future of EndoTech, is just the way you guys do things. You do them right. You do them conservatively. You do them accurately, precisely. And we love that. It's one of the reasons, Edward, I know we can't say a whole lot right now, but we can certainly say that every single contributor in D.AI.SY literally has stock equity coming to them before EndoTech goes public. And we can certainly say that as a pace setter goal, you significantly increase the amount of equity that you have because of that bonus pool. And we can certainly say that when the time comes, owning that equity in EndoTech is, if we took everything else out, if we took out the AI performance and it just became break even, if we took out the rewards plan and you never made any money in the rewards plan, and you just got the one component of the D.AI.SY opportunity, and that's being able to have real equity in the future of EndoTech as a company that's preparing to go public in the future. That one element alone, in our opinion, is maybe the most exciting part of the whole story. And sometimes, Edward, I think you and I were talking about this, but sometimes people don't see that because they don't understand the value of this type of platform in the public market. But we're talking about AI, we're talking about fintech, the multipliers of the valuation behind a project like EndoTech is incredible. So many things that come into play there, blockchain based, right? So many things that just really create value in the public market. So Dr. Anna just released her first update video. We're going to play that for you now. And I can tell you, Dr. Anna, the community is really excited to know that you'll be putting out these videos on a regular basis. And it's always incredible to hear from you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Anna Becker, and I'm the CEO of EndoTech. We supply algorithmic trading technologies across multiple markets, and as part of our efforts, we also have exciting products in the cryptocurrency space. Going forward, we will be providing weekly market updates from our in-house studio that are designed to help investors understand market dynamics and, more importantly, describe how our technology performs in different market conditions. One of the questions that has recently come up is algorithmic performance over the past few weeks as the major cryptocurrency markets stagnating, moving sideways. As we are in mid of June, we participated in two large moves of the crypto market: bullish move, bearish move, and now we are in the sideways market. During the bullish move, we took both Bitcoin and Ethereum and even altcoins. During the bearish move, our winner was Ether, followed by Bitcoin. While we stayed away from the altcoins, system alerted us of the high volatility leading to lack of predictability and sufficient liquidity. During sideways markets, we took a few drawdowns, each time fairly small ones of 2 to 4%. The sideways market is the most challenging period for trend following or breakout algorithms. When market goes up, algorithms try to buy at the bottom and sell at the top, resulting in 20 to 80% profits. When market goes down, algorithms try to sell at the top and buy back at the bottom, resulting in 20 to 50% profit. But when market goes sideways, it looks almost like it turns around every time we take buy or sell trade. And while it's frustrating to the investor to see such trades and see such loss happening, there is no possibility for algorithms to escape such trades. We call it false breakouts. In the trend systems, we are looking at 20 up to 40% of winning trades, while other 60 or even 80% of the trades have to be losing trades. Our struggle is to limit number of false trades and to limit each value of the individual loss. Let's do the math. If you make a winning trade resulting in 50% profit, now the system is allowed to make up to 10 trades, each of them losing 5%. and you still will be profitable at this point. Our systems are aiming at maximal 6 consecutive losses. So in recent sideways market, we made overall 3 losing trades, resulting in total of 10% loss. So we're happy with these results of the algorithms, and we are confident that our strategies will continue to perform in crypto markets as markets with high volatility. We are happy to announce that as part of the DAISY project development milestones, we are ready to introduce testing of the models in Forex markets with both daily and long-term strategies. In these models, the exciting part for the EndoTech is that we're incorporating DAISY project fundamental AI system into our proprietary technical analysis system. In the next update, we will be discussing these new Forex systems, both daily and long-term, alongside their performance. We look forward to seeing you again next week.
All right. I love it. Dr. Anna, thank you so much for everything you're doing and for being with us here today.
So thank you, everybody, and have a great day.